Dangers of heroin addiction and effects. Heroin is an opioid drug made from morphine that certainly ensues detrimental short-term and long-term effects on an individual who abuses it. The consumption of heroin is either through snorting, smoking, injecting, or speedballing, where heroin is mixed with crack cocaine. Heroin effects center on the brain rapidly. This creates long-term imbalances in the neuronal and hormonal systems and affects the body's organ systems, thus changing the physical structure of an individual. Specifically, the short-term effects of heroin may induce temporary feeling of euphoria. However, addiction is totally a different term. Heroin addiction stimulates nausea, vomiting, appetite loss, slow breathing and slow heart rate, drowsiness, warm and flushed skin, dry mouth, a sensation of heavy limbs, severe itching, clouded mind, and trance. Meanwhile, the effects on people who use heroin for a long term includes brain damage, infections of heart lining and heart valves, lung, skin, liver, and kidney diseases, chronic constipation and severe stomach pain, insomnia, collapsed veins, damaged and swollen tissues, mental disorders such as depression, schizophrenia, and social anxiety, arthritis or rheumatologic problems, erectile dysfunctions for men, and irregularity of menstrual cycles, miscarriage, and infertility for women. Considerably, the brain is greatly affected by heroin addiction that adversely alters its structure and functions. By this means, the behavioral aspects of an individual are affected. Heroin addicts tend to perform poor decision-making, inappropriate and unethical behavior, and wretched responses to stressors. Additionally, the continuous use of heroin gradually elevates high tolerance and physical dependency. As soon as an individual gets addicted to heroin, craving, seeking, and consuming it becomes their main purpose in life. In particular, sharing the drug injection, coupled with impaired judgment, the risk of transmitting infectious diseases such as sexually transmitted disease and hepatitis C are increased. Because heroin is an illicit drug, it typically involves criminal behaviors and consequences. Heroin addiction elevates an individual's risk of imprisonment, and this by far is the most unfortunate effect of heroin use, as it detrimentally affects the body as well as the relationships of the person involved.
If you or a loved one are looking for help with substance abuse, call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-615-1067. A caring addiction advisor is awaiting your call.